I would like to show you how to prepare the detoxing salad dressing. It is delicious and I take it to parties and people ask me for the recipe. They don't know it is a detoxing salad dressing. So what you do is you are going to prepare, and this is all up to your taste. We're going to mix parsley. You can use the curly one or the Italian one, it doesn't matter. Cilantro, you can use cilantro or also culantro, is stronger. Sea salt, I like the Himalayan pink salt. Garlic, fresh, you just mince it and use it, and olive oil. Also, some people add lemon, but I like lime. Lime has a better taste for me. So you add also that. So let me just show you, it's not hard. Olive oil, I like the organic first press, cold press olive oil. Then you add, as I said, to taste. This is the parsley, cilantro, and you'll play around to find out your taste. Some people like more parsley than cilantro. Some people like more garlic. I like the garlic, it tastes really good. And if you have a problem with your breath, the best thing is to have cloves. The little cloves, just chew on it. You won't have any problems. So, one of the things that I like, fresh squeezed lime. I love this. You'll find a link on my website where to get it in Amazon. It's a really good product. It's metal, it's well made, and you don't destroy your fingers by getting the juice out. And some people like lots of lime or little, so it is up to you. When I'm doing this detoxing salad dressing, I like to use the magic bullet. It's so practical and it's so good because these cups are about 2 cups. And I make this, we use it all the time for our salads and for potatoes and anything. I put it in beans, it doesn't matter, it has a great taste. So that lasts us for 5-6 days, so 2 cups is really good. If you use a blender, you're using a whole blender for 2 cups. It's too big of a container. And then salt to taste. So, you may add more olive oil. Voila! Your salad dressing.